Done?
Yes.
Let me tell.
Sir, I don't feel like reading today.
What?
Sir, look at the birds. Do you know what they're doing?
They're flying.
No, sir. They're playing. They're testing each others.
Oh, I see. That's a good observation. I appreciate you. Good.
Sir, look at the branches. What are they doing?
What do you mean? They're just moving the wind. Nothing else.
No, sir. They're playing. They're swinging the back and front like they're having a fun game with the breeze. Sir, look at the clouds. What are they doing?
They're floating the sky. Nothing
No,
else.
sir. They're playing. They're playing hide and seek with the sun. See, teacher, everything is playing, but I can't. I don't feel like studying on Fridays. Sir, would you please play with me? Please.
Okay, Satman. I have one more tuition, so I have to leave now. Let your parents that I am leaving.
Sir, please.
So tomorrow, next time, so tomorrow.
Okay. My dad is at home. He's gonna play with me. Dad, my teacher left. Would you please play with me?
What? Your teacher left? This early? How come? শুধু ফাঁকিবাজি হয়তো এবার 10 টাকা আগে বেতনে দিতাম না
Dad, let's play. Let's go out the road.
Son, look, I'm very tired. I have worked whole week. I need some rest, son.
Every week you say same thing. I don't play no one. You know that? I'll be very happy if I were with your son.
What did you say? What?
I mean, if I were a son of a bird, then I could play with them and fly like this.
Son? Wait, please, son.